The Bharatiya Janata Party and the Janata Dal Secular have started the 10-day Mysore Chalo Padyatra from Kengeri in Bangalore to Mysore to protest against the alleged Mysore Urban Development Authority scam and the Valmiki Corporation scams. Now, the Padyatra has been aimed at exposing the corruption that is ongoing in the current Congress-led government in Karnataka. The Mysore-bound Padyatra began at Kengeri and will go via Bidadi and Ramanagara before reaching Mysuru on August 10. Now, the Muda scam row has erupted in the state of Karnataka, with now politics escalating on the matter, where the BJP and the JDS have joined hands to protest against the existing Congress government, where the Padyatra has also been initiated.
The kind of allegations that have surfaced against the Chief Minister and the Chief Minister's family directly in this Muda scam are very serious. Till today, no serious effort has been made on part of the government to rebut the claims, rebut these allegations, and to present before the people of Karnataka what the factual position is according to them. It is very clear that the Chief Minister and his family are direct beneficiaries of an executive decision which has benefited them illegally, unethically, up to crores of rupees. And the facts are so simple that it's an open and shut case. The way the acquisition was made, the way the compensation was distributed, and the way 14 to 15 sites were distributed to the CM's wife, they all indicate a massive scam. The Chief Minister and his family have nowhere to hide. The allegations are very serious. It is time for him to resign and allow for a more competent, transparent government to come in Karnataka. Anyway, it's a lame duck government. They have absolutely no money to do any developmental activities. And whatever money is left in the coffers after these mindless populist policies of theirs is being swindled away by such corruption scandals. Karnataka has never seen in its history a more insensitive, a more corrupt government. This Padayatra that is starting today, we hope, will be the beginning of the end of the Congress government in Karnataka.
सिद्धारामैया दोनों केस में अपराधी है। वाल्मीकि डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, एसटी कॉर्पोरेशन ये गरीबों के लिए है। गरीब का बच्चे के लिए पढ़ाई करने के लिए, हॉस्टल का सुविधा देने के लिए, गंगा कल्याण में बोरवेल देने के लिए पैसा है। वो पैसा को कांग्रेस ने हैदराबाद को शिफ्ट किया, एक प्राइवेट बैंक, रत्नाकर प्राइवेट बैंक लिमिटेड को शिफ्ट किया। क्यों किया? उधर से रत्नाकर बैंक लिमिटेड से वो पैसा गया है वाइन शॉप को, ज्वेलरी शॉप को, टेंट हाउस को गया है। कौन किया है? ये केवल नागेंद्र का बात नहीं है। हाईकमांड में सिद्धारामैया को बोला था तेलंगाना को पैसा भेजो, चुनाव को पैसा भेजो। हमारा गरीब का पैसा, हमारा सरकार का पैसा, बच्चे का पैसा रत्नाकर बैंक लिमिटेड बंजारा हिल्स हैदराबाद को गया, उधर से कांग्रेस का अकाउंट में गया, कांग्रेस का लोगों का गया, उसका नेता को गया। अभी दूसरा 92 में जमीन को 4161 करने का कोशिश किया था मैसूर में एक गांव में। आप उसके बाद 2017 के बाद कैसे जमीन लेते हैं विजयनगर 3rd स्टेज एंड 4th स्टेज में? एंड सिद्धारामैया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट में हर दिन था। 92 के बाद अभी तक सिद्धारामैया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट में है, संविधानात्मक जगह में है। एंड वो दबाव डाल के उधर मुड़ा में करवाया, इसका बीवी साइट लिया। अभी बोल रहे हैं मुझे कॉम्पेंसेशन दे दो। 2017 में मुड़ा में निर्णय लिया था, रिट्रोस्पेक्टिव हम नहीं करना है, प्रोस्पेक्टिव करना है ये निर्णय को। अभी सिद्धारामैया खुद सीएम होके मांग रहे हैं मुझे कॉम्पेंसेशन दे दो। ये क्या चल रहा है?
This fiery protest. So tell us something.
All right, the Muda scam row now escalates. Meanwhile, my colleague Belly Thomas has now spoken to Prahlad Joshi on the Padyatra being held by BJP in the state of Karnataka. Let's now listen in.
fiery protest. So tell us something about like what is it heading for?
No, we are fighting against the corrupt Siddaramaiah Congress government.
Okay.
Whenever the Congress government comes in place, whether it is in state or center,
Okay.
they are always involved in this scam,
Okay.
in a very huge scam.
Okay.
There are two huge scams which have taken place recently. One is Valmiki board money which were transferred in the private individuals, government money directly from the treasury to bank and bank to the individuals. And this Muda in this Mysore Urban Development Authority land scam, the land which was not at all existing, means it was already transferred in the name of many people who had who had requested for the residential site in the Muda. That was in their name, but it was denotified after it was developed by Mysore Development Authority. Then it was transferred to Siddaramaiah's wife's brother name. Then it was gifted to her. This is all fictitious.
Okay.
Nothing is actually fact. It is all fictitious transactions have taken place, and that's why it is a big scam.
Okay.
Mr. Siddaramaiah has to resign.
So the Congress is organizing for Janandolan for that. So
For what? For doing corruption?
No, for
doing corruption.
For countering the
For doing corruption, they are organizing.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.